Hey y'all, it's Janay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with another vlog and it's gonna be super lit today. I mean, as you can see from the title, the thumbnail says I'm taking a workshop with the yungpolemaster himself. If you don't know who that is, first of all, just go ahead and follow him on Instagram at yungpolemaster. His page is probably shadow banned, I'm pretty sure, because you know all pole dancers are pretty much shadow banned on Instagram because they just hate on us. But y'all, he is a dope ass pole dance instructor, choreographer, creative director, stripper, OnlyFans content creator, just super dope human being all around. And he is coming in from LA to Pittsburgh to teach a workshop. And sis, I'm hyped because this is my second time getting back into the studio. So let's start there. First of all, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Kelsey. I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor. I talk about all things pole on my channel. I give you guys tips, tricks, tutorials, and pretty much whatever else I feel like. But sis, today we're doing a vlog. And if you've been here, you know, on my channel, you know I haven't been teaching in the studio because of the Panera bread. So fast forward to now, I'm finally getting back in the studio, and this is going to be my second time taking class. So the fact that I'm taking class with Miles today, it just really, you know, just makes me feel so good. It's good to be able to get back outside, but also to get to work with somebody who like just inspires me as a dancer. Like, it's the alignment for me, sis. So I'm going to be taking you guys with me because it's going to be super lit. I already know I'm going to be in my bag, and that's what I need right now. I just need to let loose. So I have about 45 minutes before I need to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get my bag together because I got a lot of stuff to take with me, okay? I got my camera, my tripod, my shoes. I just got some new shoes in the mail, so let me go ahead and try those on to see if I want to wear them to class, because I'm really not sure since I just got them. I've been needing to get new shoes for like the longest now because my other boots, let me go get them. If you know, you know, these are like my babies. I've had these boots for years, but sis, like just look at the material. It's really not giving. So it has been about time that I get some new shoes, and I actually had a video where I like tried to fix these and yeah, it really didn't work. All I did was color them in with some Sharpie, and the Sharpie, as you can see, came right off because I continue to wear these and clack my heels together. And yeah, I'm still gonna keep them though because these are some good shoes and they were expensive, so like they still work. Like the heel is still intact, it's just the material is rubbing off and coming off. But that's gonna happen with pole dancing, you know, because we are really rough on our feet. You know, we look nice and graceful and stuff, but honestly, when we clacking our heels together or jumping down off of the pole, just anything, sliding on the pole, rubbing up against the pole, you're gonna get some wear and tear on your shoes. So I got some new ones, so let me go ahead and show you guys the shoes that I got. Look at this guy, he just has such a hard job. So funny story, I actually bought this blanket for me, but as soon as I bought it, he literally just curled up on it, went to sleep. I'm like, it's not a big deal. Of course he's gonna like nice soft things, but he really won't let me use it. I remember one day he wasn't in here and I was wrapped up in my blanket, just working at my desk, you know, on the computer, and I was wrapped up in the blanket and he literally came in and started yelling in my face. I'm like, dude, what is your problem? Turns out he just wanted the blanket because as soon as I put it on the floor, he curled up and went to sleep. I honestly can't stand them, so I went ahead and bought myself another one, which he also tried to steal, which I will insert a video right here. That's not yours. That's not yours. Yeah, that is what I'm dealing with this one, and he is just gonna continue sleeping and acting like he doesn't hear me, but I know he hears me. But anyway, let me go ahead and try on these shoes. So this is how your shoes come packaged from Pleasers. This is actually the first time I ordered shoes from Pleasers. Typically I get mine from Amazon, but Amazon hasn't been looking that good lately. You know, it hasn't really been giving, so I was just like, all right, let me go ahead on Pleasers website, let me see if I can order from there. And they had free 2-day shipping over $100, so I got 2 pairs of shoes that brought me over $100, and it came in, let me think, I ordered on a Thursday and it came on Tuesday. Yeah, so I just literally got these in the mail yesterday, so not that bad. So let me go ahead and open them. Ooh, so I got 2 pairs of boots. As you can see, one pair of boots is bigger than the other, so let's go ahead and try them on. Here's a close-up of the box. It's a very cute box. It's red and black, has butterflies on it. Very cute and very discreet. If you know you need discreet packaging, Pleasers got you. Oh, I don't feel like lacing these up. But these are the first pair. These are really cute. I don't even know how high these are. I think they're 7 inches. Pretty sure these are 7 inches. I actually didn't check before I checked out. But I'm pretty sure these are 7 inches. Just black patent leather boots with the peep toe in the front. And I'll have everything linked down below so you can have the exact shoe that I got. If you're interested in getting new shoes, everything will be linked down below in the description box. But yeah, it's just another basic pair of black boots just to replace the ones that I've been using. The only difference is they have a peep toe, so that'll be new for me because I actually haven't used any boots that have peep toe. So that should be interesting. Now, getting into the other pair of boots that I got, which I'm really excited about these ones. Of course, I had to get the thigh highs. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, these are gonna be a bitch to lace up. Ooh, these are giving, you guys. I'm so excited about these. I think I'm gonna go ahead and lace these up right now because I really can't help myself. So yes, I just got 2 pairs of black boots. And I actually have another pair coming in the mail. They should be here today or tomorrow, but yes, sis, these are giving and I'm really excited. These are gonna be a bitch to lace up, but I'm about to do it right now because I really can't help myself. Bruh, these are, these are ridiculous. I don't even know where to start trying to lace these up. Bruh, like look at these shoelaces. These shoelaces are definitely like 10 feet long. All right, ugh. That is the one thing about these shoes, you guys, is that when you get them, you're gonna have to lace them up yourself. Oh my gosh, how are these? Okay, all right. I'm exhausted already, but we're gonna do this. This is why I can't get my shoes laced up. Stop it. Mamba. It's not a toy. Ow. Bruh, I literally only have one boot laced up so far. It took me 15 minutes to lace up this boot, you guys. I'm not even exaggerating. So yeah, I still have this one that I need to lace up, but at this point, yeah, I'm gonna just have to wait until I get back home because I need to leave in like 10 minutes, so I don't have enough time to lace that other one up, unfortunately, but I might just try this one on. I really wanted to wear them today, but I just don't have the time to finish lacing them up, especially because this one really likes them and wouldn't let me lace them up, as you guys saw. But yeah, I'll just lace the other one up when I get back home. But I'm just gonna try one on now because like I can't help myself, you guys. So here are the first pair of boots, the peep toe ones, which I love these. They are super comfortable. I love this material. It's like a patent leather. Don't mind my toes. I know they need done, y'all. Just let me live, okay? It's a Panera Bread right now. But yeah, I love these. They're really cute, really comfortable. I've never had the peep toe before, but I think I'm going to like these. Obviously, you just have to watch your toes and like stubbing them on the pole because that does happen, but I think they're really cute. Me standing up, if you can really see, but yes, I love these. I might actually go ahead and just wear these today just to play around in them and break them in a little bit. So I'm probably gonna take these. They were easy to lace up. But yeah, these are the ones that I'm gonna wear to class today. So I'm just gonna take these with me. And then I have another pair of shoes, my rose gold ones, my rose gold sandals. I have those in my bag too. I'm gonna take them, but yes, I love these. Make my legs look good, make everything look good. And this is how we're coming today. I have this little wrap top on that I got from Boohoo. Cause like I said, it's snowing outside. So I gotta be warm today. Gotta bundle up until I get in the studio. So I'm just gonna wear this little wrap top, which is actually coming unwrapped right now, of course. All right, let me try on that boot and then I need to get out of here. All right, y'all, these are the other boots and they are giving. Oh my gosh, hopefully you guys can see the entire boot comes up all the way to my thighs. I love this. I'm so mad I could only lace one up, but it's cool because I am going to break these bad boys in one of these days. Who knows, maybe next week, we'll see. These are bomb. And like I said, I will have the shoes linked down below that I got so you can get them from Pleasers yourself if you're interested. But man, these are fire. These are super fire. I cannot wait to get these in the studio, but that won't be today. We'll have to wait for that. But baby, these are bomb. These are so bomb. They're so cute. Again, I think they're 7 inches. Not 100% sure. 7 or 8, but I'm gonna go ahead and say 7. But sheesh, look at that shine. Man, I cannot wait to work in these. But yeah, those are the shoes that I got, you guys. Get you some Pleasers. You can get them from Amazon or you can get them from Pleasers website if Amazon doesn't have them in stock. All right, let me get out of here. All right, I just got here. Class starts in 10 minutes. Huh, got my bag. All right, let's walk in here. Hi.
So you can start promoting that. It's already on.
Cool. I'm ready. Excited.
Girl, you better be. You better be, because like my dad's
Yeah, talk about chocolate. Listen, I have never had a class set up out so quick. Bitch, 24 hours. I said, I said, they were not playing. Bitch, with it. I said, so I'm so happy to have you here. Go ahead, love.
Hi, I'm Kelsey. I'm here because I teach, so I need to become a better teacher. So what better way to do that than to learn from one of the best? So
Yeah. If you ever need tips,
we're teaching. Yes.
Okay.
I teach here. What's up? Yeah.
Look, boom. Okay. Yes. I love it. Yes. And last but not least, with the clever news, yeah? You bring it up? And bring it down. Good. Here, one leg grab. I'll try out this knee. I get thighs first and feet. Up. Now, you can kind of cheat and get a little push shot, or you can go down the crack. Back. And then you can just lay on the floor. or a plus one goes to play. Okay? Does that make sense? Bring it up here. We put equals. From here, I can open up. And then bring it up into something else. Okay? If you gotta get up a little bit and then hit that, that's fine. But the goal is to be flat, back, boom, okay? Oh, I can do that. Yeah, just kind of like.
I fell on so many trips that went on accident.
I didn't know I could feel like that.
Yes. Beautiful. Perfect.
Hey. Can you shout yourself out for my YouTube channel?
Thank you so much. My name is yungpolemaster on all platforms, yungpolemaster.com, period.
Hey. Fuck it up. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Woo. Hey. Yes.
Hey, hey, bow, bow, bow.
Yeah.
Yes. Hey.
Period. Yo, she fucked it up. Y'all need to get her classes too, because she fucked my class up. My God.